bothered me today, and I wanted to tell him to go away, but I stood and listened to him anyway, okay? He said he didn't want to shoot that man, it was his thing, and I wouldn't understand, and he had done all that he can, okay? Okay. I guess his body was as good as mine, and just like me, he was wasting time turning every stone to see what he could find, okay? He was filling the tank and he asked for money. I lied, said I didn't have any. My conscience took over and gave him a handful of change.
Don't do a thing.
Don't do a thing.
Stay right there. You'll lie there.
You'll lie there.
You don't seem to care.
Yeah. It's hard to survive in a city when beautiful days don't look so pretty and you don't have windows to keep the night away, okay? He's dirty and stinky and just a bit crude, but I didn't say that because that's kind of rude. He didn't care what I had to say in the first place. Okay. Say you're a big disgrace to world yourself and the human race and reach back and pop him one good time in the face, okay? No, it's not okay, and I didn't do that. But I gave him a smile and tipped my hat and told him to have a very nice rest of the day.
Don't do a thing.
Don't do a thing.
Stay right there. You'll lie there.
You'll lie there.
You don't seem to care. Get him. He bought some booze with it, and sure that bothers me a little bit, but it's his life and I can't tell him how to live it. The turn had started to go his way. I tried to think of something wise to say, like, Don't do a thing.
don't do a thing.
Stay right there. You'll die there.
You'll die there.
'Cause you don't seem to care. You'll die there.
You'll die there.
You don't seem to care.
¿Y le gusta?